Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to use one name on Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily use a single name on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, let me show you a proof. So you can see from my profile that I'm using a single name. So you can see I'm using Freeman as my single name on Facebook. So I'll show you how you can also use a single name like mine over here. So to do this, just open your Play Store. If you're using iOS, you can log into your account using an Android device, and after that you just log in on your iOS device. This is very simple and have been using it, and I'm using a single name both on my account on my iOS and also on my Android. So once you open your Play Store, search for VPN lite. If you're already having this application but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version over here. Now once you update or download this application, go ahead and open your VPN lite over here. So once you open this application, you can see quick connect. Click on quick connect and just wait as it is loading over here for the servers. So just wait as it is loading over here. And you can see, so now you can see the servers over here. Just scroll down, and once you scroll down, you can see Indonesia over here. Now click on Indonesia because we want to use Indonesia server. So just wait as it is loading over here, and you can see Jakarta over here. Now click on the second one. So you can see Jakarta 2, and then the Jakarta, you can see ID 1. So click on the second one and make sure you are connected to this particular VPN over here. So once you click on the second one, you can see you are now connected to this particular VPN over here, and you can see connect. So just click on connect and you can see connected over here. So you can see I'm now connected to this particular VPN, and you can see the key option at the top here. So you can see I'm now connected. So you can see connected over here. Very good. So now once you are connected to this VPN, the next thing you need to do is to open your Facebook. So just open your Facebook, and once you open your Facebook, at the top right corner you can see menu. Click on menu, and once you click on menu over here, it's gonna take you to this place. Now click on the settings option at the top right corner. So once you click on this settings over here, you can see it's gonna take you to this place, and you can see more in account center and meta. You can see more in account center. Click on see more in account center, and you can see your profile over here. Click on your profile. Now once you click on your profile, click on your name, and you can see name over here, or the username. So you can see the first name and then the last name. Now for the first name, enter the single name you want to use. So maybe the first name you want to use, Freedom Tech. Now once you have entered the first name, the last name, you can repeat it again, or you can just enter space bar. So you can see once you enter space bar, that's all. And you can see review changes. Now once you are done with this, everything is done 100%. So all you need to do is to just the first name, enter the single name you want to use, and then the last name, enter space bar. You have to skip the middle name, don't write anything at the middle name. And by doing this, you can use a single name as I am using on my account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video